In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select the top 100 rows from a table in Snowflake. If you're looking to retrieve a specific number of rows from a database, the limit clause is your best friend. Snowflake supports both the limit and top clauses to achieve this. However, the limit clause is not only more commonly used, it's also part of the SQL standard, making it a reliable tool across various SQL-based systems. Let's dive right into how you can leverage the limit clause to narrow down your results to just the top 100 rows. Imagine you've got a massive database with numerous entries, but you only want to peek at the first 100 rows. The solution is elegantly simple. By integrating the limit clause at the end of your SQL query, you cap the number of rows returned by running your query. To bring this to life, consider a basic example query. You would write something like, select from your table limit 100. Here, the asterisk is a wildcard that denotes all columns of data. Essentially, this command translates to, select every column from my table, but only show me the first 100 rows. Such precision allows you to sift through data efficiently and keeps your query results manageable rather than overwhelming. One crucial factor to bear in mind: the absence of an order by clause can lead to non-deterministic results. In simpler terms, without any sorting criteria specified, the 100 rows that show up each time you run the query could be different. This can be a challenge if you're looking for consistency or trying to track changes over time. To prevent this randomness and bring structure to your results, you can incorporate an order by clause. This addition will sort the rows in a specified order before applying the limit, allowing the chosen rows to consistently match your criteria. For instance, if you're interested in sorting your results by a specific column, let's say a column named date, you would modify your query to appear like this. Select from your table order by date DESC limit 100. This command now requests the top 100 rows sorted by the date in descending order, ensuring that you always see the most recent entries first. Using both where and order by clauses gives you even more control, letting you filter the data extensively before limiting the number of rows. Here, you get to zero in on precisely what matters to you and retrieve it fast. Adopting the habit of using limit doesn't just enhance your data query's efficiency, but also keeps your results clear and actionable. As you practice these methods, you'll appreciate how valuable these techniques are in managing large-scale data. That's how you use the limit clause in Snowflake to fetch the top 100 rows with finesse. Happy querying!